Today we had two legs up, second leg stronger than the first. I thought this channel was tight enough that we get a higher low. We started to go down and with shrinking bars, so I thought it was weakening. And then we got this breakout, but it had a tail on the bottom and it closed above the low of the climax. So I decided to buy that close because I think that we have to bounce a little bit and potentially get a lower high, but still bounce at least a bit before going below the low of this tight move up. So when this breakout of this 3-bar channel failed, in my opinion, failed because of the tail and closing above the breakout, closing above the low of the climax, I thought it'd be okay to take it for a buy. Now that I look at it, I think the tail is not as big as I thought it was, so it could still accelerate down. But I was still basing it on the overall premise that we should get a higher low and get a bounce first before breaking below the low of day. So we'll see what happens here. If we hang out here for a bit, I might get out break even, but we'll see. I changed my target to just go for the high of this bar, so just a 50-cent target instead of a $1 target. That follow-through bar made me feel less confident about it, so now I feel like the minimum is that we go above this bar. Alright, I moved my target to break even now, so just looking to get out without a loss. We didn't bounce right away, we got a follow-through bar to the downside, and it just looks like we're not doing what I expected it to do. And we're holding at these lows, so I'm just gonna look to get out break even and then see if I can find something else. I just got stopped out there. That was a tough one. I think I made a similar mistake a few days ago. I took a similar trade here. So on March 9th, we had a strong second leg down, and then I sold somewhere up here and then got stopped out, thinking that because this is a strong second leg, this is a tight channel down, we should get a lower high in this case, and we should bounce, or we should sell off a little bit. Did the same thing today. I thought the breakout was weak after this 3-bar tight channel, so 3 bars down with tails, and then we got an attempted breakout. I thought it was weak, so I bought it. And then we held for 2 bars. I tried to get out for 50-cent profit on this bar, and then I tried to get out break even on this bar, and I couldn't get filled on either of them. And then we broke out. So again, same premise. I thought we'd get a higher low, and we didn't. So I think a higher low is likely, but I think I'm not waiting for the proper signal that would show me that a higher low is going to happen. So I'm getting in maybe prematurely, and I have to figure out what I need to be looking for that would increase the chances of a higher low, instead of just buying at this at the low of the climax. I'm not just blindly buying at the low of the climax. I'm waiting to see how it gets there, but maybe that's not enough. I still have to look for something else before buying. So lost $2 on one share, so a $2 loss today. I'm getting used to these dollar profits and losses, so $2 is like 20 cents before, so it's not the dollar amount, it's just that I'm making the same mistake multiple times, so I need to figure out what I'm doing wrong.